Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a braided wig by using the Eullair, I think it's pronounced that way, Eullair hair. And I got this 360 lace frontal wig, and I wanted to do something very simple and very um, weather appropriate for you guys today. This was also a requested video because people have been asking me, oh Ivy, the crochet wig that you do are really hard, it takes too much time. So I was like, okay, let me create something that is going to be fast, going to be easy, and it's still going to be beautiful. So I got this hair in 16 inch, which is amazing, especially for this hot season. I don't want anything too long, and I really love it. By the way, this is my very first 360 wig that I will own, and I'm really happy about it. The hair was super soft, super lightweight. I love it, especially for this season. So what I did is I was trying to do a bun and cornrow braid at the side. So the two sides are going to be cornrowed, while the middle part is going to be in a bun. But there was a little um, change to that plan you guys are going to see later on, and this is what I did. I just sectioned the middle part up, put in a bun, and I just went ahead to cornrow three cornrow backwards, and I use a rubber band, like the black tiny rubber band that you use for kids hair, to tie that up. So what you can do, this hair came pre-plucked. It was really natural. You guys know I don't really care so much about baby hair, and I didn't want it to pluck it even more, if I may say so. I just wanted to leave it the way it was. If you want, you can go ahead and bleach the knot. I should have done that before doing the wig. I think I was just too excited that you know what, I can finally show you guys simple way that you can do your wig, especially if you have a wig before. And if you're interested in this gorgeous wig, I would say I will leave a link down below so that you can click on it. The wig was really lightweight. I'm going to be doing an update for you guys to tell you guys about the hair and how the hair was, and if I like it, if I don't. So as you can see, after braiding the two sides, I just went ahead and I did put the other part in a nice ponytail, and I took just a tiny bit of hair and I used that to wrap it all around, just to give it that natural look. When I was doing it, I was so happy with it. I'm like, wow, it looks amazing. But you guys are going to see later on why it didn't work out the way I planned it. You can still always do it this way, but you will see what happened. Okay, so I just take some water and put some deep conditioner, and I spray the hair just to bring the coils back. And yeah, that is what I did. And if you want to wear the wig just like that, I would say go for it, but I always like my things like looking a little bit different. And this hair was really fluffy and soft. And I went to my local beauty supply store, and I was looking for uh glue. This is my very first time, guys, ever gluing a lace frontal down. I don't even know, to be sincere, I didn't even know how much you're supposed to apply. And I went to the thing I'm pressing, there was nothing, like it was like nothing in this tube or whatever it's called. There was literally like a tiny bit of product in there. I was so angry, and I was like, oh my goodness, these people just took my money and gave me like tiny like product. I was able to push some of the product out and put it on my forehead. And yeah, guys, this lace wig glue, I would say this was my first. There was three types over there, but they were very expensive. They were like $28, $30, and this was $6. This was cheaper, so I decided to go with this one because I've never done it before. And yeah, I put it on and I put my wig on, and it started getting tacky. this is what I said. I decided not to put the head up, the hair up, because I used my hand to apply the glue. My hand was all sticky, like it was so sticky. Oh my goodness, I've learned my lesson this time. I'm not applying any hair glue with my fingers. I'm going to take a comb, anything but my finger, because everything was just sticking on my finger, and it took a while for this lace thing to glue down. And yeah, off camera I just took I put the wig on. I took a little cloth and I wrapped it around the frontal. There was so many times I had to like squeeze the glue out. There was like literally nothing in there, and I just bought it. I have never used it. I was a little bit I felt like they cheated me. So anyway, probably I'm going to go somewhere else and get another glue if I'm going to try this um, glue method on again. I don't know. And even also the lace, the cap underneath that I used was just too light for me. I didn't put no foundation, and I just put that on. This purpose of this video was just to show you guys the simplest hairstyle, like a cornrow wig that you can create by yourself in no time, in less than like 20 minutes you can create this. And because I've been getting so many requests from you guys send me requests like, oh Ivy, we love your crochet wig, we love your crochet wig, but it takes too long. Can you do something simple? Can you show us how we can change our old wig to new, or how we can, like, the difference that you can create with your wig? And this is a perfect example on what you can do with your wig. And if you're interested in this wig, I will leave a link down below. So as you see, I decided to let it down because I didn't like the way it was looking on me, so I just let the bun out, and one side was braided. I didn't really do much with the baby hair, guys. And yeah, that is what I did. I tried to cut the baby hair out, but you know what, I just, like, at the end I'm like, no, just leave it like that. I don't really want to do much with it, because I maybe later on in I may want to do something with it, and it will be too late because you cut it too much or you pluck it too much. I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do with it, so I just left it that way. I went ahead with the mousse just to get back that curve, that bounciness. This hair was gorgeous, guys. Gorgeous, gorgeous hair. It was very soft. I'm going to be giving my final review later on. There were some issue with this hair, but I'm going to be giving you guys some the final review after. You know what, I'm going to wait a little bit longer, and I'm going to let you guys know if it improved or how it was. And but anyway, this hair was really, really, really beautiful. It was so pretty, and it was really lightweight. It's appropriate for this weather. It's not too hot. It doesn't feel like you have anything on your head, and it wasn't also too, it wasn't heavy. It was very, very light. And yeah, so that is what I did. As you can see, it looks very, very fluffy, very nice. I love it. This is my very first 360 wig that I've owned. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. I hope I gave you guys some ideas on what you can do. And if you are interested in this hair, I'm going to leave the link down below, and I hope you go ahead and get you some curly hair for this summer, so that you can rock your hair and be you. So guys, that is all about it. Thank you so much, guys, for all your comments. I read every single one of them. I try to reply to every single one of them. Thank you so much for your prayers. Thank you for your support. You guys are just so amazing. It's unbelievable. And thank you so, so much for the request, because you guys do send me requests on what you want me to do, the hair that you are interested in. And this also helped me to build my channel and create content for you guys that you guys are really, really interested in. So guys, this is the final look of this hair. As you can see, it looks really pretty. It's really, really nice. And I'm going to see you guys on my next video stay tuned. And also please follow me on my Instagram. If you are not yet a friend of mine on Instagram, please follow me. Let's be friends there. And also you can also leave a comment and let me know that I just recently subscribed to you. So as you can see, the glue was actually not that bad when I was done, like when it was dry and everything looks smooth and I didn't really do much. So I still went ahead and put it in a ponytail a little bit, just for I was still wanting that. I didn't want anything in my, like, where I have to constantly touch it or move it. I just want everything gone. And beside that, it is really really hot right now in Canada. I live in Toronto, Ontario, and it's really hot. Our summer is really hot this year, and I didn't want anything to stick to me, and the heat was, it's just too much. So I just, like, I want something that I can pull up or that is not going to be on the way. So that is the complete look, and I hope you guys like it. Guys, watch all my videos, support me, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.